quickly install Swarms really quick. This is just a simple tutorial on how to get started with Swarms and how to install it. So you just type in pip install Swarms, check to see if you have Python. Let's see, here's another way to do it. You can do pip 3 install Swarms. You can essentially just put the -u there to upgrade Swarms automatically to the newest version. Some of the older versions might have errors, like if you have ever uploaded Swarms to like some of the older versions, like there'll be some conflicts and things. And if you really want to like test out to see if this works, just go into your terminal, type in Python 3.11, and just try to import Swarms and see what happens. If this works, then everything should be good. Yeah, so it's working good. Yeah, let me know if there's any errors. There might be errors on some like weird Linux kernels and stuff. But mostly, yeah. This is how you install Swarms. Just pip install Swarms. Now there's many ways to pip install package. You just do pip. You do pip3. Again, you could specify the -u to upgrade Swarms. You can also specify a specific version. So if we open up Swarms GitHub, we can see some different types of versions. So this is like the newest version. Let's get that one, put that there, and clear it first. So this is going to install the newest version of Swarms. Oh, there's no version for that. 7.7, we're going to download the newest. Oh, okay, I missed an S. So this is going to download the specific version of Swarms. You can also specify like a very specific version of Python you want to download this to. Like if you want to do Python 3.9, say Python 3.9 -m for message, pip install -u Swarms. Then you can put the specific version number 4.78. And so this is going to download the newest version of Swarms. And so you could check out the newest version of Swarms by going to the pyproject.toml in Swarms, or in other projects you can also check the setup.py. That's also another pretty good that's another pretty good mechanism to get the latest download. But yeah, that's how to get started with Swarms. We're gonna have a series of videos where we showcase how to use Swarms. So the next video will be about how to actually get started with Swarms after installing in VS Code. So thanks for your time, and yeah, stay tuned and hit that subscribe button and join our Discord. Thanks for your time.